everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. NovaStrid is hiring for fresher trainee developers. Location is Madurai, Tamil Nadu. Let us get to know about NovaStrid first. NovaStrid is a well-established full-stack product development upstart where we build on your dreams, we listen to your ideas and we give them form. We transform your thoughts into reality. We possess the expertise to understand business requirements and formulate an approach to build a product that follows every specification. Now let's check the preferred skills. Experience 0 to 6 months. Any undergraduate professional degree, passed out, final year students who can join immediately. Completing any programming language from any institution is an added advantage. An aspirant in learning programming and scripting languages. Good logical, analytical and communication skills, verbal and written mandatory. Then there is a training period. For 3 months, affordable stipend will be provided. A personal laptop is mandatory during the training period alone. The desired candidate profile is must know the core concepts of any of the languages. Either it is C, C++, Java, Python or PHP. Let us check the perks and benefits. Yearly attractive bonus, biannual appraisal, team outing, lunch every quarter, skill certification 5 days a week, employee appreciation, recognition and rewards, cab facility, work-life balance and health insurance. If you are interested in this role and you are eligible for this role, you can apply by clicking on this apply button. After that, this application form will open. You can also apply with your LinkedIn profile or you can apply manually also, where you have to fill your personal information, first name, last name, contact number, email address. Then there is some background information. If you are already working, then your current CTC, your expected CTC, and then you have to upload your resume. And after that, you have to click on the submit application button and submit the application. You can find the link in the description and apply for this job role. All the best, and if video helpful लगी हो तो वीडियो को like कीजिए, share it with your friends, and for more latest job updates, channel को subscribe कीजिए. Thanks for watching this video.